Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the another amazing lecture, which is the role and functions of educational philosophies in education. Role and function of education philosophy is multifaceted and essential for shaping educational theory, practice and policy. सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं फाउंडेशनल फ्रेमवर्क की। एजुकेशन फिलॉसफी एक फाउंडेशनल फ्रेमवर्क को प्रोवाइड करती है फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द अंडरलेइंग प्रिंसिपल्स, वैल्यूज एंड assumptions that inform education theory and practice. It offers a philosophical lens through which educators, policymakers, and stakeholders can critically examine and evaluate educational concepts, methods, and policies. Next, clarification of educational goals and values. Educational philosophy helps clarity and articulate the goals, values, and purpose of education. By engaging in philosophical inquiry, educators can reflect on fundamental questions about what constitutes a good education, what knowledge is worth pursuing, and what values should guide education practice. Guidance for curriculum design and instruction. Education philosophy offers guidance for curriculum design and instructional practices by providing insight into how knowledge is acquired, how students learn, and how teaching methods can be facilitate learning. It helps true educators develop coherent and meaningful curricula that align with education goals and philosophical principles. Then, ethical consideration and moral development. Educational philosophy address ethical consideration and moral development within the educational context. It explores questions about what is meant to be an ethical educator and how to foster moral and practical development in students, and how to create a learning environment that promotes integrity, empathy, and social responsibility. Integration of theory and practice. Education philosophy facilitates the integration of theory and practice by connecting abstract philosophical concepts and concrete education realities. It helps educators translate philosophical insight into actionable strategies and practices that enhance teaching effectiveness, student engagement, and learning outcomes. Then, critical reflection and inquiry. Educational philosophy encourages critical reflection and inquiry among educators, scholars, and policymakers. By engaging in philosophical dialogue and debate, educators can question assumptions, challenge prevailing ideologies, and explore alternative perspectives on educational theory, practice, and policy. Educate for educational equity and social justice. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है हमारे पास एडवोकेसी फॉर एजुकेशनल इक्विटी एंड सोशल जस्टिस. एजुकेशनल philosophy advocates for education equity and social justice by examining the ethical dimensions of educational practice and policies. It addresses issues such as access to quality education, educational disparities based on race, class, gender, or ability, and the role of education in promoting equality of opportunity and social mobility. Then, promotion of lifelong learning and intellectual growth. Educational philosophy promotes lifelong learning and intellectual growth among educators and students by fostering a spirit of curiosity, inquiry, and open-mindedness. It encourages individuals to continue exploring philosophical questions and expanding their understanding of education throughout their lives. Then, empowerment of educators and learners. Educational philosophy empowers educators and learners to become reflective practitioners who critically examine their beliefs, assumptions, and values about education. It encourages educators to take ownership of their professional development and to engage in continuous learning and self improvement. Contribution to educational reform and innovation. Educational philosophy contributes to educational reform and innovation by challenging existing paradigms, proposing alternative approaches, and envision new possibilities for education. It encourages creativity, imagination, and experimentation in reimagining the future of education and addressing pressing educational challenges and dilemmas. Overall, the role and function of educational philosophy is to provide a rich intellectual foundation for understanding, critiquing, and transforming education in ways that promote human flourishing and social justice and democratic citizenship. It serves as catalyst for innovation, improvement, and positive change within the field of education and society at large. इसके साथ ही हमारा ये लेक्चर ख़त्म हुआ। इंशाल्लाह आपसे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मिलती हूँ, तब तक के लिए अपना रखिए बहुत सा ख्याल। अल्लाह हाफिज़।